your girly Maya, and I'm back with another video. And today we got a new type of video. This is a meal prep video. So I went to Aldi and Walmart, got some groceries, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got, and then I'm gonna show y'all how I cook it. And I did not have the exact body that I wanted this summer, and they say summer bodies are made in the winter, so we're gonna start now. We're finna start now, lock in now, so the next summer body is gonna be tea. Okay, so let's unpack everything that I got. To start off, I got some chicken stock, low sodium. Really I don't know. I was in the mood for some steak, y'all, so I grabbed a 3-pack of steak. Got this chicken. I didn't even look to see how much chicken this was. Almost 2.5 pounds of chicken, or 1.5 pounds of chicken. I got some broccoli. I also got some green beans. I got a pineapple, some ginger, this can of like Rotel type thing, but it's like Aldi brand, some celery, and I really should have got 2 of these. I got some eggs, and then I got 2 limes. And at Aldi we spent $38.19. So at Walmart I spent $13.28. My math is not bad. I mean, my math is bad, so y'all add that together. I got some spinach, some turkey sausage, some brown rice, some raisins, and some cottage cheese.
We can be closer. I played those same games 1,000 times over, and you played us all night. We and me, oh, don't you? You can leave your heart at the door and let me love you for the night. I like how you wrap around the edges, laying on your chest in my bed now. Rubbing all the days we together. If they don't get it, then forget it. I do, yeah, I do the way I do. And they don't know me like you. All the things that we've been through. Love when you call me baby, make me feel like a lady, and we go off around that cake. Love is never lazy, but when I wake up, you ain't there. Now I'm going crazy. I ask myself why we can't be closer. I play those same games 1,000 times over, and you played us all night. We and me, oh, don't you? You can leave your heart at the door and let me love you for the night. I know them other girls, yeah, they all the same. You could have the world, or you could have LA. I'ma give it to you, and I don't hesitate. If I call you up, then you know that I'm on the way. You and your mouth catching checks that you know gonna bounce. You say you promise and promise you'll figure it out, but I can't wait to tease me back down.
Every day I wanna pick up the phone.
And we go off around that cake. Love is never
You're
lazy,
everything I need and more.
but I can't wait to tease me back down.
Like a cold summer afternoon, like the snow coming down in June.
Back
Like
down.
a wedding without a groom. I'm missing you.
For the night.
The desert without the sun. You're the one that we got, man.
Back down.
The ring without a hand. I'm missing you.
I ask myself why we can't be closer. I get myself 1,000 times over, and you played us all night. We and me, oh, don't you? You can leave your heart at the door and let me love
I'm missing you.
you for the night.
They don't mean you good, they only love you at your best. You know where to come and crash when your life a wreck. Out there stressed, left with hickeys on your neck. Pull up, get the spin on that mic like funk flex. You need a bitch, know what to do with you. Caught you up like where you ready, nigga, who with you? I'm the only one, know everything you like. You could have this for the night or for your life.
I ask myself why we can't be closer. I played those same games 1,000 times over, and you played us all night. We and me, oh, don't you? You can leave your heart at the door and let me love you for the night.
Like a cold summer afternoon, like the snow coming down in June.
Back down.
Like a wedding
call me Whitley, I go to Hill, Maine. Listen, the baddest in the school, the baddest in the game. Excuse me, honey, but nobody's in my lane. When you was in New York, you was fucking a Yankee. I was fucking with bass, I was pushing a Frankie. These bitches so cranky, give him a hanky. My mommy, I'm cold, give me my blankie. Flyer than a kite, I get higher than my princess. Keep the snow white, I can buy it by the bundle. Fuck your cookies up before they crumble. Won't be acting like the Cardinals gon' bum. Oh, I'm a stealer, fresh it out the dealer. All the dope boys gon' feel her. Flow so sick, I need a healer. Fuck is my mouth concealer. I be out in face, I'm before I beat the wheelers. I'm a big deal. That's why I get more head than a pigtail. From the bench, I'm getting the munchies. I think I have a rap bitch from my untried. You think the nigga spit, shame my shoes. You know I keep a bad bitch, let me sing your boo. I'm the only thing hopping like a kangaroo. I mean the only thing hopping like a can of brew. Listen, you should run your 16 cause I write it good. The 808 woof cause I write it good. And bitches can't find a man cause I write it good. I'm no old period that I writing hard. I write it good. The 808 woof cause I write it good. And bitches can't find a man cause I write it good. I'm no old period that I writing hard. I just see it when you get piggy in the market. Give that bitch a quarter and a cup till the pocket.
Alright y'all, so I am finally done meal prepping it. I only did the chicken because I don't know, I just didn't feel like cooking the steak. I'll do it on my next off day. I got 3 ginger shots. I had another glass, but I lost the bottle. And ginger shots really, at least from the research that I've done, they only stay good for 3 days. So I'm gonna put this in the freezer, and then once I'm on like my last day, I'll take those out the freezer. So they'll be like another 3 days. I got the green beans, the broccoli, and I still have some of that left as well. I put it in the freezer. If I would have only got 1 vegetable, I would have cooked it all, but since I got 2, and this is me like getting back into meal prep, so I just want to make sure that I eat all this food. I got rice to go with this. I think I showed y'all my struggle with the rice cooker. I tried to make brown rice. It did not come out well. It came out crunchy. So I redid it with more water and white rice. So yeah, now we got good rice. These are the egg bites. I will not be doing these again in the muffin containers. I will definitely be just doing this in a casserole dish because it was hell getting them out of there. And then this is the rest of the celery that I didn't juice. I'm gonna just eat that with some peanut butter and some raisins for a snack. That is all the meal prep for today, and